if it were that easy, you would be seeing multimillionaires all over the place in this business who put out one album and had a hit and boom, they blew up. But it's not really what you see. It's not what I see, at least from the people that I know that do this full time. What I see is people who understand that getting a couple of big, huge, massive placements is possible, right? And it's definitely something we should be looking forward to and shooting for and hoping that it works out. But it's not something we count on, okay? And we're not counting on the fact that I have one album in a library and therefore I'm set, I'm made, and I'm good to go. And we don't make those kind of assumptions. What we do is we celebrate our acceptances, we celebrate our wins, we celebrate the fact that we're getting somewhere in our careers, and we're actually building relationships and doing cool things. But then we let it go. That's the key right there. Once you feel that excitement, that dopamine rush, that adrenaline, just, oh my gosh, things are going my way, it's great. Have fun with it, but then realize that that's done. Let it go.